Hey fam, welcome back to your channel. It is your girl, no name needed, because you already know. I am currently sitting in what used to be my office area. Right behind you is where the desk was and the yada yada yada. I showed it to you in the vlog clip. I'm going to show you again, and then I'm going to show you the reveal. I actually moved into my closet. Yes. So, if you are an apartment dweller or a small space dweller and you desire a workspace that is your own to do whatever it is you need to do, be it pay bills, you're running a business, and you need to be able to concentrate and get your focus on, and you just need that little piece of you, this video is going to be perfect for you. For one, I never thought in a million years that I would have an office in a closet. Not just an office in a closet, but an office in a teeny tiny closet. Okay? Never in a million years. But I will say that I am very effective in that closet and have been since this morning when I got up and got myself together. I went in there and I was checking, closed my room door, of course. I was checking emails, checking stuff on YouTube, some Excel stuff that I needed to do for tax stuff. Just busy. I was legit busy in my new little space. And when you see it, you're probably good. If you are claustrophobic, let me just say this. If you're claustrophobic, that is definitely not going to be a space for you, okay? The one great thing about my new space when you see it is that I had already moved the room door for other reasons a while back. Well, actually when I was redoing the bedroom. So the room door is not there, so I don't feel so closed in because I can still look right out and see my beautiful bed. I can kind of still see outside the window. So I'm not so confined that I feel like, I needed that box to keep me focused because I'm ADHD, honey, and I am all over the place. It takes this much to get me distracted. And being down here with all of this to look at and grandkids running around and cartoons playing on the TV, and it's just never ending. This house never really sleeps. So to move into that little space really has put me on focus. If nothing else, it has got me focused. I go in, I do what I need to do, and I'm out. So without further ado, if you're interested in this video and how to transform or downsize, I should say, or already living in smaller area and you want an office that's really pretty and functional at the same time, then you have to keep on watching this video. You know, I ain't gonna let you down. She ain't gonna let you down. Okay? Okay. So let me give you a recap of the before and the reveal. And I will see you guys in another video really soon. Hugs and kisses. I love you guys so very much. To the moon and back. Thank you so very much for all your support. I will always say that because without you here, there is no Sharon She's So Fabulous here. Okay, so here I just wanted to give you one last look at what the office looked like. You've seen it a million times if you've been with this channel for a while. It is changed drastically. However, I will say that it is going to help me in a great way because now I'm going to have way less distractions. And because I'm in such a tight spot now, I'm actually going to be in there working and not being so distracted. So this is the office, how it used to be. Let's see the new office. Okay, right now, this is what the office used to be. Desk was right there in the middle. Freed up a lot of space. I guess you could probably see that. Freed up a lot of space. I did keep one shelving unit down here. And now you see my girls all have a place down here as well amongst some other trinkets. That's not to say they'll stay here because I don't know. Just for right now, I needed somewhere to put them. So that's where they are. And this is just what the room looks like in the after of the conglomeration, I should say. You know, how it looked before. So now let's go look upstairs and see what it looks like up there. So here's your look of my old office. This is still my studio. Let me just throw it out there. You'll still be getting films over there in that area and things like that. The playhouse is still over there. So nothing has changed other than my office space needed to go. Because as you can see, you just saw a kid dive across the floor. That's the type of stuff I deal with when I'm trying to work. And so, yeah, let's go upstairs and see the video. Okay, so this is where the new office is going to go, right here in my unused closet that is actually a catch-all and an eyesore, being that I moved the door for more space. So let's see if I can pull this off, because a girl got to work now, okay? Small spaces, big ideas.